Hey, this is Ed Fayette of Horrigan's Clubhouse, and I'm going to do something a little bit different today. We are going to use, right out of Japan, they're called Wazaki, W-A-Z-A-K-I. They're Wazaki hybrid clubs, all the way down to a pitching wedge. We're going to play them. They're pretty cool. We've played them before. We've actually played them on the course as well. But we're going to play the Black Desert Resort on SkyTrack, and we're going to use the Wazaki hybrid clubs for all of our shots except for our tee shots. All right, let's see how we do.